welcome back to my channel, Sea Chronicles. As I promised you, for each milestone, I'll be uploading a bonus video, right? And I currently got to the milestone of 65 subscribers. Yay! Right? 65 subscribers. And my celebratory videos or bonus videos won't be about my braces journey, right? They'll be just random things or accomplishments or just creative ideas, right? This video will be about quarantining or what you can do during a lockdown. You can make it into an entire family affair. The kids will love this, trust me. Love it. During the lockdown, we decided to transform our backyard, right? We have a toddler and she gets bored pretty easily and she loves outdoors. So we decided to transform our backyard first into a sandbox, and then we did a whole swing, right? So enjoy.
Sandbox. Who's going to play in the sandbox?
The Andashe.
You and Tate? Going to play in the sandbox?
By the time we got to the swing, we were too tired to be filming. We had the help of persons to construct the swing itself, as in the structure of the swing, but the swing itself we did that on our own. Again, with the help of our toddler, we painted and did the swing, and she really loved every bit of it. We can't get her to come back inside. So these are ideas that you can do during a lockdown once you have the tools to do so. Thank you.